Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel, Tech It Simple. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can download or install the BTWB Beyond the Whiteboard tracking app on your mobile phone. This app will help you in your fitness journey, where you can plan, log, and analyze your results in one place. It will keep track of your workouts. So, to download it, you need to make sure your device is connected to stable internet. Now, open your App Store or Play Store, and in the search bar, type in BTWB WOD tracking. You can see the app here. Click on the app and click on the download arrow to download it. It might take some time to get downloaded depending upon the internet speed. You can see the app has been downloaded. Click on the open button to use this app for your fitness journey. The app is ready to use. Log in or sign in and enjoy its features. So, that's all for this video. If you find our video helpful, please leave a like, and please do not forget to subscribe to our channel and also hit the bell icon for our latest videos. And drop a comment for reviews and more content like this. I will see you guys again in our next video. Thank you guys for watching.